Once upon a time in a lush green forest, there lived 5 little ducks. They were always playing and swimming around, having the time of their lives. One sunny morning, they decided to go on an adventure to the nearby lake. As they paddled along, they couldn't help but notice a group of monkeys swinging from tree to tree on the other side of the lake. The ducks had never seen monkeys before and they were curious to know more about them. Without wasting any time, the ducks quickly reached the opposite shore and approached the monkeys. "Hello," said the first little duck. "Hi there," replied the monkeys in unison. "We've never seen you around here before. Where are you from?" asked the second little duck. "We're from the monkey kingdom in the faraway jungle," said one of the monkeys. "It's so far that even if I tried to describe it, you wouldn't be able to find it," added another monkey with a wink. "Oh, I wish we could visit your kingdom," said the third little duck. "That would be amazing," added the fourth little duck. At this point, the fifth little duck, who was the smallest of them all, couldn't contain his excitement any longer. He blurted out, Can we come with you to your kingdom?" The monkeys were taken aback by this sudden request. They looked at each other and then back at the ducks. Finally, one of the monkeys spoke up. "Well, that's very ambitious of you, little duck, but I'm afraid it's just not possible. You see, our kingdom is hidden and only those who know the secret path can find it." The ducks were disappointed, but they didn't give up. Please take us with you," they begged. "We promise we'll be very helpful and do anything you ask us to." The monkeys considered their request for a moment. Finally, they agreed, but with one condition. They told the ducks that they would need to complete 5 tasks before they could enter the monkey kingdom. The ducks were thrilled. They thanked the monkeys and started their journey to the first task. Throughout their adventures, they learned valuable lessons about friendship, bravery, honesty, and kindness. In the end, when they finally entered the monkey kingdom, they realized that the real treasure was the friends they made along the way. The ducks and the monkeys became best friends and together they enjoyed the beauty of the monkey kingdom and the wonders it had to offer. They played games, explored caves and swam in waterfalls, creating memories that would last a lifetime. Now let's get to the first task. The monkeys led the ducks to a tall tree and said, "Your first task is to climb this tree and pick 5 ripe bananas for us." The ducks were nervous, but determined to prove themselves. They started climbing the tree. And after a while, they successfully picked 5 ripe bananas and returned them to the monkeys. "Well done," said the monkeys. "You may now move on to the next task." The monkeys led the ducks to a small stream and said, "Your next task is to catch 5 fish for us." The ducks wasted no time and quickly started searching for fish in the shallow waters. After a few minutes of searching, they managed to catch 5 colorful fish. They were so happy that they accomplished their second task without any trouble. The monkeys praised their efforts and sent them off to their third task. The monkeys took the ducks to a nearby hill and said, "Your next task is to bring us 5 shiny stones from the top of that hill." The ducks began their journey up the hill, and the smaller duck struggled with the steep incline. But seeing his friends struggling too, he found the strength to keep going. Eventually, they reached the top and started looking for shiny stones. After collecting 5 beautiful stones, they made their way back down the hill and presented them to the monkeys. The monkeys were impressed with their perseverance and sent them off to their 4th task. The monkeys led the ducks to a patch of soft soil and said, "Your next task is to dig 5 holes in the ground for us." The ducks started digging holes, but soon realized it was harder than it looked. Again, the smaller duck started to struggle, but remembering what he learned from his friends earlier, he kept going until they completed their 4th task. The monkeys were proud of their determination and sent them off to their final task. The monkeys took the ducks to a large log and said, "Your final task is to push this log across the clearing." The ducks lined up behind the log and started pushing it, but it wouldn't budge. Once again, the smaller duck felt like giving up, but remembering all the tasks they had already accomplished, he pushed with all his might. To their surprise, the log started moving. Slowly but surely, they moved the log across the clearing and completed their last task. The monkeys were overjoyed and congratulated the ducks for their hard work and dedication. They led the ducks into the monkey kingdom and welcomed them as honored guests. The monkeys showed them around their kingdom, introducing them to their families and friends. The ducks were amazed by the beauty of the monkey kingdom. They marveled at the lush vegetation, sparkling waterfalls and playful monkeys everywhere around them. They spent the day playing with the monkeys and learning about their customs and traditions. As the sun began to set, the ducks knew it was time to return home. They thanked the monkeys for their hospitality and promised to visit again soon. The ducks and the monkeys stood at the edge of the monkey kingdom waving goodbye to each other. The ducks missed the monkeys dearly and couldn't wait to visit them again. They had learned so much during their adventure and couldn't wait to share their experiences with their families and friends. Back in their pond, the ducks recounted their adventures to their parents and siblings. They told them about the 5 tasks they had to complete, the beautiful monkey kingdom they had visited, and the wonderful friends they had made. The parents were so proud of their children for their bravery, determination and kindness. They had faced challenges head-on, worked together as a team and shown compassion and empathy towards others. As the ducks drifted off to sleep that night, they dreamed of their adventures with the monkeys. They dreamed of swinging through the trees, exploring caves and swimming in waterfalls. They couldn't wait to go back and see their friends. The ducks continued to visit the monkeys regularly, and over time, their bond grew even stronger. They continued to have fun-filled adventures, playing games, exploring new areas and creating lasting memories. They learned to appreciate each other's differences and similarities and embrace the unique qualities that made them such good friends. The ducks and the monkeys continued to live their lives in their respective kingdoms, but they always had fond memories of their time spent together. They often reminisced about their adventures, the challenges they had overcome and the valuable lessons they had learned. The story of the 5 little ducks and their friendship with the monkeys became a legend in the forest, reminding everyone who heard it about the importance of friendship, bravery, honesty, kindness and perseverance. Many years passed, and the 5 little ducks grew up to be strong and wise ducks. They continued to visit the monkey kingdom and their friendship with the monkeys remained strong. They often shared stories and experiences with each other and enjoyed each other's company. They also continued to help each other whenever they could, and their bond only grew stronger with time. One day, the 5 little ducks decided to embark on a new adventure. They wanted to explore beyond their forest and see what else the world had to offer. Before they left, they said goodbye to their monkey friends, promising to return soon. The ducks traveled far and wide, exploring new places and meeting new people. They encountered many challenges and obstacles, but they never lost sight of the values they had learned from their friendship with the monkeys. They remained brave, honest, kind and persevering, and they used these qualities to overcome every challenge that came their way. As they journeyed, the ducks shared their experiences with others, telling stories about their adventures with the monkeys and the lessons they had learned. Their stories inspired many, and they made new friends along the way. The ducks continued to grow and learn, and they brought these new experiences and knowledge back to their forest when they returned. They shared their stories with the monkeys and everyone else in the forest, and they all benefited from the ducks' newfound wisdom. The friendship between the ducks and the monkeys continued to be a source of strength and support for them. They knew that no matter what challenges or obstacles they faced, they could always rely on their friends for help and encouragement. Their bond was unbreakable, and they cherished their friendship. Years went by, and the ducks and the monkeys grew old, but their friendship never faded. They continued to meet regularly, sharing stories and memories of their adventures together. They reminisced about the challenges they had overcome and the lessons they had learned, and they celebrated their enduring friendship. The ducks and the monkeys became role models for others, showing the power and importance of friendship. They proved that true friendship could last a lifetime and that it was one of the most valuable things in life. In the end, the 5 little ducks and the 5 little monkeys lived happily ever after, cherishing their friendship and the memories they created together. They continued to enjoy their lives in their respective kingdoms, knowing that they had each other to lean on, and they knew that their friendship would continue to be a source of strength and happiness for them for the rest of their lives. The story of the 5 little ducks and their friendship with the monkeys serves as a reminder to us all of the importance of embracing differences, showing kindness and perseverance, and most importantly, the value of true friendship. It teaches us that friendship can be a powerful force that can help us overcome challenges and bring us happiness. So let us all strive to be like the 5 little ducks, And the 5 little monkeys, embracing our differences, being kind and persevering, and cherishing our friendships, for they are truly priceless.